Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video we'll solve this equation. We have 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x squared equal 6. Okay, so what the value for x? Okay, we can find for x. And the first we have 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x squared equal for 6 equal 2 times 3. Okay, and from this we can get a log from for to both side, so we can write log to the power of x plus log 3 to the power of x squared equal log 2 times 3. Okay, so log 2 to the power of x plus log 3 to the power of x squared equal for log multiple 2 times 3, if we have log a times b is equal log a plus log b. So for this we can write log 2 times f plus log 3. Okay, and for the power, so yes, we have log a power of b is equal b log a. Okay, so for this we can write x log 2, okay, plus x square log 3, and for this left side can move to left, minus log 2 minus log 3 equal 0. Okay, for x square log 3, x square log 3 minus log 3, and x plus x log 2 minus log 2 equal 0. Okay, from this we have log 3, okay, same log 3, and for x square is log 3 times x square minus 1 plus log 2 x minus 1, okay, is equal 0. Okay, for this we can write down for x square minus 1 is equal x square minus 1 square. Okay, if we have a minus b, is it's same, a minus b square is equal a plus b times a minus b. Okay, so for this x squared minus 1 can write an x plus 1 times x minus 1 log 3 plus x minus 1 log 2 equal 0. Okay. From this we have x minus 1, 2x minus 1, x minus 1 times x plus 1 log 3 plus log 2 is equal 0. Okay, and we have to solution x minus 1 equals 0 and x plus 1 log 3 plus log 2 equal 0. So for x1, x minus 1 equals 0, we have x equal 1. Okay, and for this, x plus 1 log 3 plus log 2 equals 0, we can write then x plus 1 log 3 equal minus log 2. Okay, and from this divide the both side by log 3. Okay, so we have x, okay, for x plus 1 equal minus log 2 over log 3. Okay, from this can get x equal is minus 1 minus log 2 over log 3. Okay, so okay, for x equal to get denominator, the same denominator, can times 1 log 3 is for 1 minus log 3 base of 3. Okay, minus log 2 over log 3, or we have minus log 3 base of 3 minus, for this we have log a over log b is equal log a base of b. Okay, so from this we get log 2 base of 3. Okay, so this minus for x minus log 3 base of 3 plus log 2 base of 3. You get the same base x equal minus log 3 times 2. Okay, is so we get the x equal minus log 6. Okay, this answer for this equation, 2 to the power of x plus 3 to the power of x squared equal 6. So we have x equal 1 and x equal minus log 6. Okay, log 6 base of 3. Okay, thank you for watching.